Oh, what's the matter, little guy? Oh, he's got the hiccups.
You're okay.
Oh, man. Oh, man.
So gassy, huh?
No, just end it all.
Over here.
Jeez. Hey, little guy, what are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, man, so sad.
Is it your bed or your diaper?
You're okay, big guy. Yeah, you're good.
Hi, Jackson. Hi, sweetie.
So disgruntled.
There we go. Hey, look at you stretch. Okay.
I think he's all good now. Uh-oh. He just buried his head in your shoulder. Oh, no. Okay.
Are you so hungry? Is that your problem?